If you're a beginner or even a senior and you want a simple way to lose weight at home without hurting your joints, this rebounder right here makes it really easy to get started. So make sure you stick around to the end because I'm giving away this Fed Fitness Softland Pro Bungee trampoline to one person for free. So let's get into it. So here's some rebounder benefits for beginner weight loss. If you want to lose weight but your workouts feel too hard or overwhelming, this is a rebounder and it's a great place to start. So rebounding is low impact, so it's easier on your joints, but your body is still working to burn calories. You don't need complicated exercises, just a light bounce gets your heart rate up. And because it feels simple and even a little fun, you're more likely to stay consistent. And that's what actually leads to beginner weight loss, not intensity, but consistency. Now let's talk about rebounder benefits for seniors. So if you're getting older and you want to stay active without risking injury, the rebounder is one of the safest ways to move. The soft bounce reduces stress on your knees, your hips, and back, especially compared to jogging or running on hard ground. You can go at your own pace and hold the handlebars for support and build confidence as you go. It also helps improve balance, coordination, and circulation, which is key as we age. So simple movement done daily goes a long way for your health. Now let's talk about rebounder benefits for lymphatic drainage. So did you know that your lymphatic system is your body's cleanup system, but since it doesn't have a pump, it only works when you move. So when you gently bounce on a rebounder, that up and down motion helps move fluid through your full body, including your face, your neck, your chest, your arms, your stomach, and your legs. This can help reduce that puffy, bloated feeling and boost energy. And remember, the key isn't intensity, just a light, consistent bounce for a few minutes is all you need. And don't forget, I'm giving one of these rebounders away for free. So if you want the exact one that I'm using, this is the Fed Fitness BCAN Softland Pro Bungee Trampoline. Now here's why I like it. It uses bungee cords instead of hard metal springs, so the bounce feels soft, quiet, and way more joint friendly. Let's talk about stability. This thing feels rock solid when you're on it, with a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds, so you feel safe and supported while you move. If balance is a concern, it comes with a T-shaped handlebar that adjusts to your height so you can hold on while you build confidence. So this is another big win for beginners and seniors. It's also 90% pre-assembled, so you can literally have it set up and ready to go in just a few minutes with no frustration. Plus they even include non-slip socks and a rotating phone holder so you can follow workouts like this hands-free. But honestly, what I like most is it makes movement feel easy. You step on, start bouncing, and you're instantly getting your body moving, burning calories, and supporting circulation without it feeling overwhelming. And that's how you stay consistent. That's how weight loss actually happens. So if you want this Fed Fitness BCAN Softland Pro Bungee Trampoline, hit the link below and use code LIVELEANTV to save 5%. And you can also enter the free trampoline giveaway. Simply drop a comment below and let me know if you tried this workout. And if you got value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe to LiveLeanTV for more science-backed fitness and nutrition tips, and share this with someone who's been saying they feel a little bit off lately. And to continue your Live Lean journey, YouTube recommends you go watch this video right here next. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.